What's up, guys? My name is Tiasia Cockrell, and welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we have a hair review slash tutorial of a wig that I'm so excited about, y'all. So this is from I Like Hair, and I've been so ready to review this one of their wigs from their collection because they have the natural edges, y'all. The natural edges, it looks like it came from our scalp. So you guys, look at this. It looks very realistic, and the edges are like just straight out the scalp, y'all. So they sent the 13 by 4 HD lace kinky edge wig, and it's in a length 18-inch. It comes with adjustable straps in the back, and then also a detachable strap in the back with combs. So here is the front of the wig. I'm going to spray it with lace blend and basically just make the lace match my scalp. So I really like that they added the adjustable strap because you could take it out or keep it in, and then you also have 3 different lengths you could choose from. So I thought that was cool. If you're newer to wearing wigs, this is how you put it on. Just put the back on first and then slide it back. Especially if you have a band, put the band on the back of your head, slide the back, and then bring the front up to the front. Easiest way you could do it. Yes, it's looking good already. So I'm a fan of kinky textured hair, and the fullness of this wig is giving me everything. So I took 2 hair clips and clipped my hair back, and then I took my razor and I'm cutting the lace as close as possible to the wig. Now you can use any razor, or you can use scissors as well, but I feel like when you use like a razor like this, it kind of makes it look jagged, which is better so you can't see the lace. All right, y'all. So yes, it is a new day, but I'm going to start where I left off. So I took the CMOS collection, their mousse, and I'm going to put it on the edge of my wig and just comb my edges back a little bit. So the foam is going to help the edges slick down a little bit because like when you get a blowout or like a press and the front of your edges are kind of like laying down a little bit, it's going to give it that look. So after I put it all through the hair, the edges, I'm going to use my band and tie it down for about maybe just a couple of minutes. Like I said, I'm going to take my band and just tie around my edges for a little bit and just let it sit. Okay, so while my edges are molding down, I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair, starting in the back, I'm gonna go ahead and press it out and then throw a little bit of curl in it. I'm using a little bit of bio silk oil, and every time I flatten or straighten out my hair, it helps it just feel a little bit more silkier. So I use like a little bit of this oil. If I use any of it, make sure it's small amounts or it's gonna make your hair stiffen up, or just like, how it becomes stringy with too much product. So just a little bit, y'all. So you always want your curls to last. So I use the olive oil, and it's actually a wig spray, but it's the holding spray, and I just sprayed a little to hold the curls because I don't want them just to drop as soon as I do it. So put any spray, just kind of make sure it's a lighter spray so it won't make your hair as crunchy. Alright, now that I had all my curls in, they were looking good and bouncy, the hair was flowy, I went ahead and took the band off and let's get into it. Yeah. I mean, like, honestly, it just looks so good and realistic. Like, you ever took y'all, you take your scarf off from having a wrap, your hair just be like laying. So, yeah, I was feeling it. Looked like my hair for real. So, I wanted to define my part a little bit more. So, I'm just parting it. And as y'all can see, this looks like a real scalp. Like, I'm blown away. That's why I was so excited to work with this company. Like, yes, wow. So I'm not sure why it's looking so light, but I'm using a tinted lace powder. I'm going to define my part a little bit more. So I took my brush, hit it with the powder. I'm going to put it all on the lace. Any lace that's showing, I'm just going to hit it up. Was it needed? Not necessarily, but I do this with all of my wigs because it matches my skin tone. So this is what I did. And we are in good shape. The hair is giving, y'all. I just can't stop bragging on it. So I have to lift this wig up one more time because I really need y'all to see, like, this is crazy. Okay, it is a glueless wig. Now if you want to, you could bobby pin like the edges of the wig just to make sure it's in place, but overall it's very secure. It's on there. Also, please do not be like me and be ghetto and use that razor. Please use some actual hair scissors to cut your layers, but I could not find mine, so the razor just had to do, and I needed a little bit of layer, y'all. Now I'm taking that same olive oil spray and I put a little bit on my finger and just pushed it against some of the lace because for some reason I turned, I could see little pieces of it. It wasn't really necessarily bad or anything, but I'd be cautious. So I just put a little bit on there. Like I said, use a bobby pin if you want to. But this is just up to what you want to do with the wig. All right, you guys, we are finished. This is the final look. I actually kind of brushed the curls out a little later, but the curls held well. The edges, y'all, I'm just here and sold with these edges. Now I love a good kinky straight, but this wig right here definitely won my heart. So go shop from I Like Hair. Let them know I sent you. Use my code, save some money, and I will see y'all next video. Bye.